Hello friends, welcome to DevOps world. In this today video, I'm going to show you how you can install Java in Red Hat operating system based on your requirement. So without any further delay, let's start. So first we will check any Java version it is installed in my operating system or not. So I'll just type Java hyphen version. So as you see that it's telling that the command not found, it means that Java is not installed currently in my Red Hat operating system. So to install the Java, we need to be trigger yum install Java. But before I do enter, I would like to inform you that if you press means trigger this yum install Java, so by default whatever Java version is available for this operating system will going to be installed. So suppose you want some Java 17 or Java 1.8 or Java 11. So based on your requirement, you're not going to be install Java which you need to be installed. So how we will figure out how I can choose a Java version based on our requirement. So instead of Java install, first we will see how many Java version libraries is available in this Red Hat operating system. So for that yum list grep hyphen Java. So this command will give me only Java libraries which is available in Red Hat operating system. So if I do enter, so as you see that we have Java hyphen 1.8.0 open JDK and Java 11 open JDK and Java 17 open JDK. So now you have different version of Java. So as per your requirement, you can install any Java version for your Java application. So here for demo purpose, I'm just going to be install Java 1.8.0. So I'll just create the screen and Java hyphen 1.8.0. So here friend, the process to install other Java version is also same. Here for demo I have chosen the Java 1.8.0, but as per your requirement you need if Java 11 or Java 17 also you can use this command, and instead of 1.8.0 you need to be mention 11 or 17. Okay, so I'll just type 1.8.0. I'll do hit enter. So as you see that we are going to be install Java 1.8.0 hyphen OpenJDK, and these are all dependencies which required at the time of Java installation. So I'll just do enter y. So it will take some few seconds to install all the Java libraries. So let's wait for few minutes. So we are almost done. Yeah, so it's completed now. To validate Java is installed or not, we will type Java hyphen version. So now you can see that it's giving me the output open JDK version 1.8.0 is installed successfully. So like this friend, you can install any Java version as per your requirement. So I hope that you have liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload any new informative video, so you will get the notification. So for today guys, thank you.